Hello, boys. Are you ready for your math assignment? Give me a thumbs up. Yay! Today we're going to subtract numbers. Now, in school, we did a lot of adding. And remember, when you add, the numbers go, yes, up. But when you subtract or take away, the numbers go down. Good job. So what we're going to do, and remember we did this for addition, when you subtract, it's helpful to have some objects. So what I did was I grabbed Fruit Loops. They're small and they're easy to manipulate and use. So what you're going to do is you're going to go with your mom or dad and you're going to grab either Cheerios, Fruit Loops, you can use coins, Legos, anything that's small, and I want you to grab 10 of them, okay? And then come back to this video. So you can pause it and come back. So what you're going to do when you have your objects is you're going to click the link and that your mom and dad can do for you. And this is your activity. You're going to subtract. So you're going to listen to the recording.
Move the star on the number line to help you solve your subtraction problem.
So our subtraction problem is 6 minus 2. So how many objects do we need to find? 6. Good. So count 6 with me with your coins or cereal or whatever you grabbed. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 objects in front of us. So we're going to minus 2 or take away 2. So that means we have the star at the 6. We're going to move the star 2 places to the left because remember the numbers go down. So 1, 2. So I want you to take away 2 from 6. So I took away 1, 2 Fruit Loops and I put them on the other side. So let's see how many we have left. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should have 4 objects left. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So let's see if we're right. Yay! And I know your mom or dad may have to help you, but try to find the number on the keyboard, okay? So our next subtraction problem is 5 minus 5. So how many objects do we need? You're right, 5. So everyone count 5 objects with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 objects in front of you. Now we have to take away our minus 5. So let's do it first on the boom card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's take away our 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many do we have left? 5 minus 5 is 0. Good job. So I'm going to find 0 on the keypad. Let's see if I'm right. Yay! Let's do one more together.
Move the star on the number line to help you solve your subtraction problem.
So we need how many? 4. So take 4 objects and put it in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to minus, or we could say take away, how many? 2. So let's move the star 2 times to the left. And let's take away 2 objects. 1, 2. So we have how many left? You're right, 2. So I'm going to click the box and I'm going to find 2. And let's see if I'm right. Yay! So I want you to do this for 5 more minutes, okay? See how many problems you could do in 5 minutes. And remember to use your objects. And you're doing such a great job. And thanks to your mom and dad for helping you, okay? Bye.